सनबर्न म्युझिक फेस्टिवल 12च्या फुडें वचचो ना हाची जतनाय घेतल्या अशें आश्वासन पर्यावरण मंत्री आलेक्स सिक्वेरान दिलें। तांणी जायती परवानगी घेवं पूण राती 12 उपरांत असले महोत्सव आयोजीत करप ना अशें नेम सांगता अशें आलेक्स सिक्वेराचें म्हणणें।
I can only give you one assurance that as far as pollution board is concerned, we will ensure that the permitted decibels are not exceeded. We will ensure that at 12 o'clock Sunburn stops. 12 o'clock. I don't know what permission they have, but I know that under the Environment Act, Government of Goa has got 15 days. Let me speak, by which they can relax the rules from 10 o'clock to midnight. I know that from 24th December till 31st December, there is a relaxation of up to 12 o'clock. It is not something new, this is of the past. And as such, according to me, whoever is having a function can apply to the government or to the respective agency seeking permission up to 12 midnight. I do not know till what time Sunburn has applied, but I am talking of, as far as the rules are concerned, can go right up to 12 p.m. I am telling you 24th to 31st, it is blocked till 12 p.m. 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st. I do not know till what time they will apply. No, I am telling you openly, the rules are till 12 midnight. And this is not my doing. These rules are there for years now.